You see that right there? I tell you what, she's got water in her engine. Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Mechanic. My name's Thomas. In today's video, we got another one of our mobile mechanic work days. Right now we're headed out to look at a 2015 Bmw 328i. Woman said on her way home it was raining real hard. Next thing you know, an error message popped up. It said drive train malfunction. Said she barely got it home and now the vehicle will start and then shuts right back off. She said this came out of nowhere, has never happened before. So we're headed out there to do a little diagnosis, figure out what's going on here. All right, we should be coming up on it here somewhere. Here we go. I think this is it right here. Yep, that's it. It's Bmw 328i. All right, I'm gonna get out, make contact with the customer, go from there. Got the keys. We got $100 sent to us through our cash app. I guess we worked for one of our friends who recommended us to her. So this is the best way to market yourself. Let's hop in here real quick. Do a little push to start. You guys hear that? It started, puttered out like within 5 seconds. Try it again. I'm feathering the gas pedal right now to keep it going. Drivetrain malfunction. Drive moderately. Maximum drivetrain output not available. Consult service center. We're gonna hook our code reader up. We're using the Thing Diag 2 today. It's one of my favorite ones. OBD port on this one. It should be right there. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. Pull up some codes. That's what I'm seeing. Remember, I'm using the Think Diag 2 code reader. So it's the dongle that you plug in and then you download the app. All right, so let's go down to the third line here. It says OBD functions. Let's go ahead and click on that. All right, we got a P0300 random misfire. That's current. Cylinder 3 misfire, current. Cylinder 2 misfire. Fuel air mixed tooling, large deviation. Holy shit. This is a lot of stuff, guys. Let's clear all the DTC codes here, man. We got to figure out what's what. What caused this car to have all this stuff? No, after this procedure finishes, there may still be a warning light or fault code displayed. All right, after doing all that, let's go ahead and start the vehicle again. I'm not touching nothing. This is by itself. Yeah, it's still hunting. All right, let's turn this off. Let's go up to the front of the vehicle. Check out the engine a little bit. Just see what we're looking at here. Uh-oh. You see that right there? Tell you what, she's got water in her engine. That's what that means right there. These don't have dipsticks on them. Can't check the oil except inside on the little computer. It'll tell you the level, but there's no dipstick. We're gonna check the air filter here. There's little clips. You just push them down. Boom, boom. You just move that out of the way. And then it's right here. You got to pull up hard for that grommet to pop out. Oh, this thing's soaked, dude. You can tell. Yeah. Oh, man. Water in her engine. So it didn't just rain a little bit. Our dear mobile mechanic customer here went through some high water is what she did. And it's got water in the engine now, causing all these problems. At least we found out what's wrong with it. Came up here because it was a sluggish start, and then it started and ended up dying. Her words was, it's gasping for air. We can try to dry it out, replace the spark plugs, the coils, air filter, try to dry everything out, see if that helps. I can't promise her anything. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, I'll have my Cash App and PayPal right here on the screen. I'm waiting on my rich subscriber to go ahead and drop us a bunch of money. But no matter what, if you don't, I still love you guys. And like we always say, Semper Fi, till next time.